How to check the unsubscribe link in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that by simply answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to create an email with an unsubscribe link in HighLevel. Question number two, how to test your email in HighLevel. And question number three, how to ensure that a contact is set to DND, do not disturb, for email after clicking the unsubscribe link. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo account, and let's get rocking and rolling. So first thing is first, we're going to end up creating a quick templated email so I can show you how that works and where that unsubscribe link actually ends up. So we're going to go into marketing, emails, and then we're going to go into templates, and then we're going to click, well, we can actually just look at, we normally would click plus here for a new one. And then you can create a template from an existing campaign, email marketing templates, blank template, import email. We already have a new template set up here, so we're going to edit that one just so I can show you what it looks like. So we'll just click on the name. It'll bring up in the editor for the email. And then we're going to basically make sure we have an unsubscribe link here at the bottom of this email, right? So we're going to add a footer, and then that automatically put from this list email, or it should say, puts an unsubscribe link in this email. And then if we're happy with this, we can just save the template. And now we can go back and we can use this template in an automation, which is where I prefer to do it. So I will go into automations, and I might create a brand new workflow from scratch, and then just add email. So send email, and then put in, of course, the sender name. So this would be your name, likely, your email address at yourdomain.com. Then the subject would be some sort of subject, and then we have our template. So we can choose our new template we just edited, or we could write our own email here. If you do write your own email here, it automatically adds an unsubscribe link as well to the bottom of all those emails that go out from here. But we're going to just use this template for now, and then you can see it right there. We can edit it again if we need to. Let me move myself out of the way over here, and we can test it, right? So we can send this to ourselves to test it out, and then once we send that test to ourselves, we can unsubscribe ourselves if we wanted to, if we're a contact already in the system. Otherwise, you won't be able to really test it out thoroughly. So the thing I would do is, we're just going to save this for now. We're going to call this test unsubscribe link, and we're going to just publish it. Here we go, and save it. We're going to go back out, and then we would want to create a contact that we're going to send that test to so we can unsubscribe. So in this case, we would go to contacts, and then we would add a contact. And then once we've added that contact, we could then test to that contact, because this contact that you're creating right now will be subscribed, right? So I can just put my own name back in there. I can put in another email address that I want to unsubscribe from, and we can add this contact, okay? And so if I scroll all the way down, you'll see in DND all channels is not checked, emails is not checked, text messages not checked, etc. And so if we were to unsubscribe once we send the test email, this will change to an X inside of emails. So let's give this a shot. So we're going to go back to automations. We're going to find our automation we just created. Then we're going to test this email. So I'm going to say this is from, I'll just put my own name in there, and then my email address from email here. And then of course the subject will just be test. Let's do test. And then we'll use this template. And then down here at the very bottom, we're going to test it, but we're going to hit save first. Open it back up to ensure that it is thoroughly saved. Everything we've added has been saved and changed. And then we're going to test it by sending it to our test email address. And we're going to click send, email sent. Okay, so now the email's been delivered to me, and I can see I have the unsubscribe link right here. So I'm going to click on. Okay, so now we're going to double check our contact is unsubscribed. We're going to go back to our contacts, and then we're going to click on the contact we unsubscribed. Click the unsubscribe link, and you're going to see D&D channel for emails is now X'd off. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.